Hello, Kenji. Good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
How are you, Kenji? Did you
Fine.
eat your breakfast already?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, really? What is your food for today? What's your food for today? Did you drink your milk?
Let's learn. Let's learn. But
Oh,
I'm not drink milk already.
ah,
Let's learn.
okay. Let's learn.
Let's learn.
Okay, so our lesson for today is, can you read it?
The world around us.
Okay, the world around us. Okay, so before that, let's have some vocabulary here. Okay, what do you think is the first picture here, Kanchi?
Country.
Very good, country. Now, Kanchi,
Country.
what country are you living in? In what country are you living in? Where do you live? In what country do you live?
Ho Chi Minh.
Ho Chi Minh in what country?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Very good. So next one, what is this picture?
Island.
Very good. Island. Have you been to an island? Have you been to an island, Kenchi?
No.
Oh, you know what? That is a nice place.
No.
It's in the middle of the ocean or on the sea. Do you know how to swim?
I don't like to see a shark. I don't like to see a shark.
You don't like to see a shark. That's why you don't like to go in an island. Okay.
Yes, I don't want to see a shark.
You don't want to see a shark. Okay, next one. What is this?
Yes. Jungle.
Okay, very good. It's a jungle or forest. Okay, so what can you see in a forest, Kenchi?
I see a lion.
Lion? Okay, and then what else can you see?
Monkey.
Monkey. What else?
Tigers.
Tigers, okay.
Tigers. Parrot.
Parrot. And then what do you call the green object? Oh, snake. Very good. And then what do you call the green big objects? What is that?
Tree.
Very good. There are a lot of trees and wild animals in a forest or in a jungle. Okay, next one, Kenchi. What is this?
Pond.
Okay, that is a lake or a pond. So can you swim in a lake, Kanchi?
No, I never swim in the lake.
Yeah, because I
don't like.
Yeah, I think
But I see a fish in the pool.
What? You see
I see a fish in the pool. Fish.
Fish.
In the pool.
In the pond.
But it's little.
Yeah, it's little. It's a baby fish, right? Oh, and then sometimes we can also see crocodiles.
No. It's not in the pool.
Oh, it's not in the pond. Where? A pool.
Swimming pool. Swimming pool.
Swimming pool.
I see a fish in the swimming pool.
Whose swimming pool is that?
There's a fish in the swimming pool in my house.
In your house? There's a fish in your swimming pool? Who put it? Who put the swimming pool? Who put the fish in the swimming pool? Maybe you.
I see 5 fish. No, I see 5 fish.
Did you put it?
5 little fish jumping underwater. One fell up above his head. My God, said.
No more.
What he said.
No more.
No more fish jumping underwater.
Very good. That's a nice song.
No more fish jumping under pool.
That is a nice song, you little girl. Next one. What is on the second picture?
Jungle.
Okay, a jungle. And then what can you see in a jungle?
Lot of trees.
Lot of trees, okay.
Ladybird.
Ladybug.
Wild animals.
Wild animals.
No, wild animals. Like a forest.
Okay. So there are no wild animals in the jungle. Only in the forest. Right?
Why?
Okay. Next one. What is this? What?
Mountain.
Yes, a mountain.
A mountain.
So have you been in a mountain, Kanchi? Yes? Did you climb it? Wow. So are you not
I don't climb. I walk.
You walk. Okay, you walked. Going on top of the mountain. Are you tired? Did you feel tired?
And I drive a horse.
Really? You drive a horse? So is the horse tall or small only?
Big horse.
Big.
It's go round like a circle.
Wow. So do you know how to ride a horse?
I scared and I cry.
You scared. You're scared.
And I cried.
You cried?
And I cried.
Why did you cry?
Yes.
Why did you cry?
I'm scared.
Because you're scared. Okay. So next one, Kanchi, how about this? What is this?
River.
Okay, this is a river.
River.
So, have you swim in a river before, Kenchi? Not yet? Oh, here in our place, we have a river. Some people, they wash their clothes. Some people, they wash their clothes in the river.
Yeah.
Yeah, and sometimes they wash their car. They wash their car too in the river. Okay, next.
Why?
Yeah, because a river has a lot of water and the water is flowing. So it means the water is clean. Next one, what is this, Kenchi? How about this one? What they call this?
Waterfall.
Water.
Waterfall.
Yes, this is a waterfall. Very good. Have you swim in a waterfall, Kenchi?
No, I see waterfall on the TV, not I can swim in the
Oh,
waterfall.
so you have seen a waterfall in the TV?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we can see. Do you know that a river is the continuation of a waterfall? So this is a river, and then at the end of a river, there is a waterfall. Okay, so next one, Kenchi, what is this? What's the third picture now?
In the world.
World, very good.
World.
So what is a world, Kenchi? Can you explain it?
No.
A world, that is a place where people live in, right? A world, or sometimes we call it Earth. So that is a planet where people live in, all right? Okay, so next one, Kenchi, let's have activity D. Draw circles around the things that you can see in the picture.
Okay.
Okay. So, Kenchi, can you read the words first in the box?
A farm, flag, flower, rock, grass, an island, a jungle, star, cloud, a moon, a waterfall, plant. I see waterfall.
Very good.
Waterfall.
Okay. So, can you encircle?
Grass.
Very good. Encircle it.
Grass.
Okay, so there's the waterfall, grass. Okay.
Land.
Plants. Next.
Four.
Again, was
four.
A farm. A four only. Okay, wait a minute. How about clouds? How about clouds?
Cloud? Yes, I can see it.
Okay, can you encircle it too? Okay. So now let us see. So this is the grass. Next one is the plants. Next is the waterfall and the rock. Okay. So now let's have the next activity right here. Okay. So read the sentences. I erase it. Read the sentences. What things in the picture are they about? Where are the children, Kanchi?
In the countryside.
Okay, so they are in the countryside. Now, so let's answer the following questions, okay? Number 1. People like walking or climbing up these when they are on holiday. What do you call that?
Mountain.
Okay, mountain. Number 2.
You can swim in here, but it is not a river or the sea. A lake. There are always lots of animals and birds here. A forest. You find these on trees and plants. They are green, red, yellow, or brown. Leaf.
Okay.
People in house here is smaller than a town. Village.
Very good.
Go outside in the day. Look up. It is hot, yellow, and brown. The sun.
Wow, very good.
Sun.
Perfect score.
Oh, 6 points. And
Yes.
you give me 6 crocodile.
No, that's very hard.
6 crocodile.
That's very hard to draw. Later, I will draw.
Crocodile. 6 crocodile. Evening, you can draw me 6 crocodile.
Okay, no problem.
Evening, right?
Yes. Later on evening, I will give you 6 crocodiles. Don't forget it. Next one.
Yes.
Let's have activity C. Listen and color and draw.
Color and draw.
Okay. So let's listen and follow the instructions, okay?
23C.
Yes,
The world around us.
Coloring.
Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello. Would you like to color this picture?
Yes, please.
Can you see the boy fishing?
Yes. Can I color his hat?
Okay. Make the boy's hat yellow.
Right. I'm doing that now.
Can you see the yellow hat? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and draw.
Now, find the rocks in the picture.
Right. I can see them on the ground.
Color the biggest rock purple.
Okay.
Can you see the waterfall?
Yes. Shall I color it?
Yes. Have you got a blue pencil?
Yes. Here it is.
Good. Color the water.
What's that?
Number 1. I'm not finished.
Okay.
Wait, it's not finished. A biggest.
Okay, you color it
I
first.
don't know what the graph.
Okay, let's repeat it.
I'm finished. Number 2. Number 2.
Picture.
I'm doing that now.
Let's wait.
Finger game.
Can you see the yellow hat? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and draw.
Now, find the rocks in the picture.
Right. I can see them on the ground.
Color the biggest rock purple.
Okay.
Can you see the waterfall?
Yes. Shall I color it?
Yes. Have you got a blue pencil?
Yes. Here it is.
Good. Color the waterfall blue.
What can I do?
Okay, color the waterfall blue.
Finish.
Okay, next one.
Do now?
I know. Can you see the mountains?
Yes. There are 3 mountains.
Draw some snow on their tops.
The picture looks good with snow in it.
Okay, draw a snow on top of the mountain.
Draw on top.
Yes, draw snow on top of the mountain.
I don't like draw. I don't like draw. I like coloring.
Oh yeah, and then you color it.
I don't like. I don't like to draw.
Okay,
but I
don't
like to
want.
color.
Okay, let's skip it.
There
I don't
are
like to
3
draw.
fish in the water.
Yes, I can see them. They can swim really fast.
I know. Color the smallest one.
What color?
How about orange? That's a good color for a fish.
Good idea.
Okay, color the smallest fish orange.
One more.
Yeah, it says color the smallest.
Smallest.
Yes, smallest. Okay, next one.
Right. What
I
now?
don't like to draw.
More coloring?
Yes. Can you see the houses?
There are 2. Which one shall I color?
The nearest one. But only color its roof. Use your red pencil.
Okay. I'm coloring that roof now.
Well done. The picture looks great.
Please. It's a house.
Yeah, you have to color the roof of the house red.
Where I don't know what's a house.
Okay, let's listen again.
There are 2. Right. What now? More coloring?
Yes. Can you see the houses?
There are 2. Which one shall I color?
The nearest one. But only color its roof. Use your red pencil.
Okay. I'm coloring that roof now.
Well done.
Okay, the nearest house, color it red.
Yes. What is it?
Yeah, you color the roof of the nearest house red.
This house?
Yeah, the
This
nearest.
house?
Nearest.
This house.
Where? I cannot see it. Oh, you colored the nearest house?
Here.
Roof. Can I see it? Okay.
Look.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay, now let's check. There's a waterfall in the picture. Yes. The girl is fishing. Yes or no, Kenchi? The girl is fishing. Yes or no?
Mm, the girl. No.
No. Okay, next. There are some flowers at the bottom of the mountain. Can you see a flower there? No. Okay, next. The weather is sunny.
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good.
Yes.
Wait a minute. I will put a tick on your answer. Okay, so 3 points. So this is a red roof, correct? Orange, blue, and violet. Okay. So now, Kenchi, now draw one more thing in the picture and color another thing. Okay, so Kenchi, draw a flower. Draw a flower in the mountain. Okay, can you draw a flower in the mountain?
In the mountain.
Yes.
Why? So, what?
You are going to draw a flower in the mountain.
Draw again.
Okay, do you like to draw? If you don't like to draw, then you just color the trees green. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, can you color the trees green?
Color. Yeah, I like color. Let's color.
Tell me if you're finished coloring. Okay, very good. Finish?
No.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Tell me if you're finished.
Not finished. This trees. These trees. These trees. These trees. Finish.
Finish?
No,
Okay.
not finish.
Not
I
yet?
want to show color. I want to color this grass. The mountains.
You're going to color what?
I like to color them. Mountain.
Okay.
Mountain pink. Mountain is pink.
Mountain is pink.
Mountain is pink.
Okay, you colored the mountains pink.
Right? Yes.
Okay, color it now.
I want to draw a sun. Color the sun.
And then what color is the sun?
Cloud.
Okay.
Yellow.
And then how about the clouds?
And color is blue. And finish.
Finish? Okay. Okay, now let's have the next activity. So this is a story about jungle, okay? Now read and cross out the wrong words. Okay, so you read the story of the jungle and then choose the correct words, okay?
Jungle are hot and wet place. They are very green because it's often
Okay.
rain there. A lot of flower plants and animals live in jungle. There are big river in lot of jungle. Be careful because sometimes you can find crocodile in some of them. Many people who live in the jungle have their home next to a river or a waterfall because they need water. People often go up or down the river by boat. River or like road in a jungle.
Okay, very good. You have said all correct answers. Good job, Kenchi. 9 points for you. Okay, now, why do you think, Kenchi, that jungles are color green?
Because they have many trees and grass.
Good job.
Green.
Yes. And next one, where do people live in jungles?
I don't know.
Okay, you can see your answer there. Where do people live in jungles?
Near to a river or a waterfall.
Okay, they live next to a river or a waterfall. How do people travel from one part of the jungle to another?
By boat.
Okay, by boat. Okay, so now, Kenchi, write G or J to complete the words. Then say the sentences. Okay, so can you read the words?
James, rat, goat.
So, which letter do we need to complete these words, Kenchi?
I'm thinking. G.
Okay, it's letter G. So, the first letters are G, game, glass, and goat. Okay, so there are some great green grapes. Okay, can you read the sentence, Kenchi?
There are some green grape in great grandma garden.
Okay. So, did you write a capital letter for Grace's name? Check. Okay. So, why do you think we should put a capital letter G in the Grace name? Why do you think it must be a capital letter?
Because it's a name.
Very good. Because it's a name.
Because it's a name.
Okay, so now, Kenchi, can you read the words again?
Geography.
Okay. Do jump and giraffe start with the same sound, Kenchi? Jump, giraffe.
Jump. Giraffe.
Do they start with the same sound?
Yes.
Okay, yes. So it starts with the sound of j, j. Can you say it? J, j. Okay. So can you read this word?
Cab.
Cage.
Cab. Cab.
Cage. Next. What's next? Cage. Engineer.
Engineer.
Okay. So how about this sentence, Kenchi? Can you read it?
Your giraffe should enjoy vegetable and jungle juice.
Okay. So what letter do they start, Kenchi? What letter?
J.
Very good. They start with the letter J. Okay, next. Do the world around us quiz. Okay. So Kenchi, let's have question number 1. What do you think is the biggest country?
I don't know.
Okay. What do you think is the biggest country? Do you know the answer?
No.
Let's see. Okay. So the biggest country is Russia. How about the smallest country? Do you know what is it?
I don't know.
So the answer is Vatican City.
I don't know.
Next one. What is the tallest mountain?
I don't know.
Okay, the tallest mountain is Mount Everest. Next, what is the longest river?
I don't know.
Okay, the answer is the Nile River. Okay, next one. What is the biggest sea?
I don't know.
Answer is South China Sea. And then last one, what is the biggest forest?
I don't know.
The answer is the taiga. Okay, so now you know. Biggest country, Russia. Smallest country, Vatican City. Tallest mountain, Mount Everest. Largest river, Nile. Biggest sea, South China Sea.
Everest.
Yeah. And the biggest forest is the taiga or the Amazon.
Everest.
Yes, do you know what's Mount Everest?
Amazon.
Yeah.
Amazon.
Yeah.
Forest.
Okay, do you know now? Do you know now?
Up.
Ah. Okay, so now let's have this. What is the biggest city again, Kenchi? Oh, in Vietnam. In Vietnam, what's the biggest city?
I don't know.
How about the longest river in Vietnam?
I don't know.
How about the tallest mountain in Vietnam?
I don't know.
How about the biggest lake?
I don't know.
Okay, wait, I will search. Biggest city in Vietnam. Okay, so the biggest city in Vietnam is Hanoi. Okay, is Hanoi. Next is Ho Chi Minh City. Okay, next one.
Ho
Longest.
Chi Minh City.
Yeah.
Ho Chi
Longest.
river in Vietnam.
Oh, wait a minute. So
River.
the longest river in Vietnam is Mekong River. Okay, it's the Mekong River. That is the longest river in Vietnam.
What the tallest mountain?
Okay, wait.
Mountain. Tallest mountain.
Tallest mountain. So the tallest mountain in Vietnam is Phan Xipang. Okay, Phan Xipang. Next is the biggest lake. Biggest lake. So the biggest lake in Vietnam is Ba Be Lake. Okay, Ba Be Lake.
Ba Be Lake?
Yeah. Or Ho Ba Be. Wow, this is very nice. It's located in Ba Be National Park in Bac Can Province. Okay. All right, so Kenchi, that's all for today. And tonight, we're going to have one more class, okay? Okay.
Yes.
All right, so goodbye, Kenchi. See you tonight.
Goodbye.
See you tonight.